my history begins right here in this neighborhood. We called it the West Side. And this block we're on here on Santa Fe Drive was the heart of the Latino community. And I got my first look at artwork here, and I got to see some early examples of artwork of identity of the Mexican American community primarily. My name is Carlos Frésquez. I'm an artist and educator. When I was a child, my father would take us on road trips. I was a teenager, maybe 14, and he tells the family, we're going to go to Mexico. When we get to Guadalajara, I went to see this orphanage there, where there's this famed mural by Orozco. And I looked up into this dome, and there was a man on fire. It looked like it was falling on you. And it was just so powerful and meaningful, and you could just tell there was so much put into it. I told myself, I am going to do this at some point in my life. I want to paint a mural, you know. So it really just impacted me so much that it just like became, it's like ingrained in me, you know. Like my blood became pigment or something, you know. Behind me is a mural that my students created. When the Teatro moved here, I was talking to Tony Garcia, the executive director, and he said, I would love to put murals on the building. I said, well, let's do it. I'll use my class, we'll come here. I had my students, you know, question the theater, what would you like to see on the wall? And they said, oh, we would like a Quetzalcoatl, a feathered serpent. So the students designed that and presented it to the Teatro, and we painted it. And it took us 4 years to completely surround the building. Yeah, a lot of my students are of varying backgrounds. In this particular mural, it was much more indigenous focused or Mexican American experience focused mural, Chicano mural, I might say. And once a design is set and the students do research, which is really the key, you do not need to be from that particular background. You do the research and you put your heart and soul into it. And you be honest and paint with integrity, soul, and compassion. You know, that's really what you want on the wall. My mural class began because I wanted to make that another offering for the students. It's another way for students to make a social comment or add a gift to the community. The class is titled Community Painting. You're painting not only for a community, but you yourself. You know, if I have 18 students, 16, 25 students, they themselves are a community. They need to learn to work together. I really believe that we should all live with no borders, no flags. We're citizens of the world, and so we're looking at other communities, other cultures. Really, that's what I expect of the students, no matter what it is they're painting. Many of my students have painted a lot of the murals that you see around town now. They experienced it here, learned what to do, what not to do. So I really feel good about kind of passing the baton, you know. Now it's your turn, you know.